In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple dates as pages into Notion. This will make it simple and efficient to track events, plan projects, or manage timelines directly within your Notion workspace. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to your connected workspace in Notion. This is the hub for all your wiki, documents, and project management needs. If you're not already logged in, this is where you'll start. Simply click on the Login button at the top right-hand corner of the page. Enter your credentials and let's get ready to organize your dates. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the Notion home. This is your central dashboard, displaying all your active pages and projects. From here, look for the database option. Notion's database feature is a powerful tool, allowing you to create structured systems within a page. Click on Database, and you'll be presented with a few options for how you want to view your information. Next, choose the Table view. A table setup is particularly handy when you want to keep your information neat and clear. It allows you to see all your data at a glance and makes entering multiple dates a breeze. After opening the table, focus your attention on the option to Add Property. This function allows you to introduce new columns or fields in your table, designed to hold specific types of data. Click on Add Property, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with various data types you can include. For our goal today, you'll choose the Date option. This is going to allow you to input specific dates, making each one a page within your table. It's a wonderful way to set dates as mini projects or events, each with its own page for additional info or notes. Now that you've set the Date property, you can start entering your dates. Simply click on the area under your newly created date column and enter the dates you wish to track. For each date you input, Notion will automatically formulate it as a separate page. This means that clicking on any date allows you to enter more details, such as checklists, reminders, or supplementary notes specific to each event or project. And there you have it. A streamlined and organized method for adding multiple dates to your Notion workspace, each supported by its own detailed page. This system not only helps in managing individual events, but also enhances your productivity by keeping everything neatly compiled in one interactive database. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that it empowers you to become even more efficient in your Notion use. Feel free to explore further features that Notion offers to tailor your workspace exactly how you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!